Hello everyone and welcome back to Nikita Gill Vlogs. Today we have an essential topic for those who are gearing up for their grad school applications, which is crafting a stellar statement of purpose. I'll be breaking down the key elements that makes an SOP stand out, and by the end of this video, you will be having a clear roadmap to draft your own compelling SOP. First things first, what is a statement of purpose? It's a crucial document that provides the admission committee with insights of who you are, your professional and academic backgrounds, and why you are an ideal candidate for their program. This is your chance to go beyond your transcripts and test scores and tell your unique story. It's not just about stating facts, it's about conveying your passion and your goals to them. Before you start typing away, research about the program that you are applying into. What professors are doing the research that aligns with your interest, and research well about the program, what makes it unique and everything else. Why this is important? Because you have to showcase your knowledge about the program into your SOP, which particularly demonstrates your genuine interest into this program. So now, talking about structuring your SOP. In this, we have 6 different sections. At first, you have to start with a captivating introduction. You have to state clearly why you are interested in this program, and you have to grab the attention of the reader from the beginning. That's why introduction part is very, very important. And the second point would be your education backgrounds. You have to discuss about your academic journey, what you have done so far, about your undergrads, about your masters. If you're applying for a PhD, if you're applying for a masters, you have to talk about your undergrad, what you have done, which other courses you have taken, and how this led to make you a decision of joining a grad school. This is very important. And the third point would be your professional or research experience. So in this point, you have to talk about your research or professional experiences, the work you have done after your studies, which led you to believe that you have to go to the grad school, which motivated you to go to the grad school. So you have to talk about that. And in the research experience, if you have done any kind of internships or any kind of projects that you have worked on, you have to talk about that. And also you can talk about a little bit of the extracurricular activities, like if you attended some kind of conferences or other sort of competitions or that sort of things. So you can mention that as well. And the fourth point would be highlighting your future goals. What makes you believe that you are ready for the grad school, and when you will be done with your grad school, what will be your future goals? You can talk about the 2 or 3 years ahead. Talk about, like, if you are applying for your masters, you can talk about, after my masters I'll be working in so and so company, that's my dream. Or if you are applying for PhD, you can talk about, after my PhD I would like to work for the post doc, or I would like to work in so and so company, this is my goal, or I would like to start a startup. So these kind of things comes in your future goals, and it's a very important section in your SOP. And the fifth section would be, you have to talk about the university that you are applying into, about the program. You have to state a very in-depth knowledge of that, and within that university, if you are interested in some particular professor, you have to talk about that, about his or her research. So that's very important. At last, you have to conclude your SOP with a very strong conclusion, in which you have to mention your key points and about everything that you have written in your SOP, which basically leads your enthusiasm and your interest into this program. So that's it. And talking about, that's it, that's how you write your SOP, everything that I have covered. And if you still have any questions, you can write in the comment section. I will reply to each and every comment. And yeah, I am also going to share my SOP that I wrote. So I'm going to share a picture in this video right here. You can check that out. And if you have any questions, I'm saying you again, you can write that in the comment section. I will reply to you. So that's it. That's about the SOP, and I made this video because recently, like 3 or 4 days before, I kind of did a post. I gave you 4 different choices on what should be my topic for my next video, and you guys chose this topic, how to draft a successful SOP. So here it is, your video. I hope this video helps you, and if it helps, so please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and leave a comment on this video. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and bye bye, take care, happy writing. And I really wish those who are watching and those who are not, whoever is trying to get into a grad school in US or in any other kind of schools in any country, I hope they get into their dream universities and be successful in their lives. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.